Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fun food out of candy melt, which is, you can see, chocolate. Okay, set you guys up. Perfect. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go for here. You guys cannot see me because I'm out of camera. Come back. You need these cupcake molds. One cupcake mold will do good. Any color. Chocolate. Okay. Spoon. Okay, I'm gonna go over here and grab a bowl. Bowl. Last thing would probably be your filling. But honestly, I don't know what I want for filling. How do we make it full on chocolate? People, moms say, don't use your teeth. Well, I might have to. Moms say to never use your teeth. So do you think I care? Either I am a girl, I just spill the time. I don't trust it. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna melt it. Trying it. It's actually pretty good. Time to cook. Seconds at a time. 15. Almost done. For another 15 seconds. I want to show you guys the microwave I will be using today. You can't let it cool down very much. You don't want your stuff to cool down until you put it in the bowl. Hold on, guys. Gotta grab chocolate. It started to melt. I know you can't see. That's not my fault. Oh my gosh. So chocolatey. I'm just gonna use it. I would go 25 if you want yours to become actually melted. So, you have time to wait. So, how was your day? Good? Okay. Chocolate. Let's go over, grab the chocolate. It's almost done. I think it's melted on so hard. Can't even really. Okay, look at that. Oh yeah, baby. I think I'm just gonna keep on stirring. Might have to heat it up a tiny bit, but I'm gonna crush it up a little bit. Let's just pour it into the mold. I'm just gonna make it solid. Ooh. sleeping, guys. Guys, you can do this at home. Because this is actually kid friendly. Just be careful using the microwave. If you want to ask, what goes good with what goes good with chocolate, you ask? How about some good old marshmallows? And cave into the actual thing. I think I might try to cover it up. I don't really know if I can. These are some good marshmallows. I don't really think I can cover them up. Okay, that's pretty good. I think I might. Ooh, we can make some chocolate dip marshmallows. That sounds super good. You know what? How about we do that? Out of that Reese, I think I'll make a small bowl of chocolate dip marshmallows. Yep. Yeah, we kind of, we go crazy for this good stuff. Yeah, that I'm gonna go put this in the freezer. Covered with small ice packs. Not covered with hot dogs. Hot diggity dog. Maybe we can put some unmelted in there. Make it a little bit more better. And some marshmallow pieces. It's gonna be a good success. Boom. Super good. I'm getting as much out of the bowl as I can. I'm giving it a really small layer. It'll taste good. Good. Delicious. So this thing needs some layers of this stuff on it. Okay, be super careful using this. Guys, I will put it in more than one of these things. This thing is very unstable right now. See this? It's being used. Boom. For stability purposes. Okay, it's not too easy to work with all that. Be super careful too. To make something good out of marshmallows, first I would dip it. Mostly in chocolate, pretty much. And then top it off, dip a chocolate chip in chocolate. Boom. Not even letting it dry. That's such a good idea. I'm gonna make a tiny cake. Guys, don't eat it without it hardening. This thing will need to harden. What about sprinkles, which in my case I need to go grab. Let's be honest, nobody has sprinkles right on hand. Because you don't know what making everything everything's falling down. Gotta clean this up. Let's get all this cleaned up. Oh God. Close it before anything happens. Whoops. Okay, so let's find some of the best sprinkles and sprinkle them on. It's all chocolatey. Yeah, I wouldn't grab too big for sprinkles. Okay, so once you got your sprinkles on, I would go over with the chocolate. Get a little bit of a chocolate drizzle on there. It will be delicious. Then, but we add a little bit of a marshmallow. Oh, it's melted a little, so that's pretty good. Paste on. Eat it. You can make some cute little cookies out of just this. No, I'm just gonna eat them. Pretty good. Honestly, I will put it in the freezer for a day. In a few minutes, you already start seeing the outcome. See, 'cause I'm already starting to see that almond cakes. So yeah. Chocolate. Find what else I have in the pantry. I've never actually tried this stuff. It tastes like nothing. As little bit tastes like nothing. Guys, you know what? How about we just clean up. Bye guys. Bye.